Hello kids. Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn about adjectives, words that describe people, animals, places, or things. Let's dive in and explore. An adjective is a word that describes a person, animal, place, or thing. Let's look at some examples. Look at this girl. Adjective, thin sentence. This is a thin girl. Great job now. See this ball. Adjective, colourful sentence. This is a colourful ball. Excellent, look at this rat. Adjective, small sentence. This is a small rat. Well done. Here's a rope. Adjective, long sentence. This is a long rope. Fantastic. Look at this building. Adjective, tall sentence. This is a tall building. Amazing, now see this girl. Adjective, beautiful sentence. This is a beautiful girl. Wonderful, look at this boy. Adjective, happy sentence. This is a happy lad. Great work. Finally, see this boy. Adjective, fat sentence. This is a fat boy. Excellent. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to use adjectives to describe people, animals, places, and things. Keep practicing by describing things around you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.